Michael Laufert from the Thieves Vinegar Collective here. I'm here in Stockholm.
Today we're here in Gothenburg, Sweden. So we're here on the train to Copenhagen. I'm standing here in front of the Youth House. This is a historic place in the history of anarchism and punk. I'm standing here in Christiania. For the last 40 years, have been resisting all forms of oppression. At one point it was a school, at another point a squat, and a center for organizing. And we're honored enough to come in and have a conversation about some of the things that Thieves is doing. Let's go inside and we'll have a chat with some interesting people.